Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to cut transparent picture in Photopea software. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see cut transparent picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from file menu option. Now click from open and palace option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see open the picture in Photopea software. Now is select from tick mark option. Now we can see then everywhere in the picture transparent card. Now we go into the toolbar option. Now select from rectangle tool. Now click for mouse right button option. Now select from escape select option. Now draw now going to the move tool option. Now we select from that it's now move the card picture. Now you can see cut transparent picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.